Was the presidential debate a setup to get rid of Joe Biden? A possible hypothesis regarding the Trump/Biden debacle suggests it may have been orchestrated to facilitate discussions about replacing Biden. Traditionally, debates occur post-nomination, making this pre-nomination debate unusual. The timing appears strategic, granting Hillary Clinton an opportunity to enter the race while catalyzing conversations about Biden's replacement. CNN's respectful yet pointed inquiries about Biden's age imply their complicity in this plot from the outset. This scenario reflects a broader neoconservative strategy characterized by ruthless and manipulative tactics. Biden is portrayed as a casualty in their quest for power, with the debate serving as a public spectacle to tarnish his image. This faction is accused of perpetuating endless wars, driving inflation, increasing deficits, raising taxes, and aiming to eliminate physical currency, all to maintain their grip on power. Their ultimate goal is said to be the nomination of Hillary Clinton, who would supposedly adopt an aggressive stance against foreign adversaries. The exclusion of RFK from the debate stage reinforces the notion that this event was never intended to be a genuine debate. Acknowledging Biden's cognitive decline, the debate appears designed to covertly pave the way for Hillary's candidacy, with Biden stepping down voluntarily as required by the rules. The public embarrassment of Biden serves to solidify the neoconservatives' hold on power, enabling them to pursue their aggressive foreign policy agenda. The hypothesis also posits that Gavin Newsom might be considered for the vice presidency, not the presidency, aligning with the broader scheme.